Introducing the 2023 Hyundai Kona. Infuse every drive with a fresh sense of fun in this spirited and tech-savvy Kona. You'll love its easy-to-use infotainment system, comfortable cabin, and versatile crossover capabilities, as well as the confidence that comes standard thanks to its suite of advanced safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Practical versatility meets breakout fun in this high-spirited Kona. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.